In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanopy on any device. With this, you can watch movies with library card. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Kanopy. I am using it on my PC. So for this case, just head over and click on install right there if you would want. However, they also have a web version. You can find them by going to kanopy.com and you can see it right here. So you can either download it onto these options or it's also available on other options right here. However, you can click onto this get started. If you have it right here on your public library card or university login, you can either find your library or find your university. So for this case, just choose right here which one you want. Search for the university name that you want. And then make sure that you have in here the actual card that you want. You can just log into your actual student account and connect it right here in order to use it directly from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.